In this video we show you how to insert a field in Titan Excel add-in. It's pretty straightforward once you're logged in, but first you must log in. So go to your My Add-ins, make sure you have it installed, and then go ahead and log in by clicking onto the Form Titan add-in. You need to log in just the way you would log into the Titan Form Builder. So here we are. Now just gonna get my password and enter it like that. Alright, let's say you wanted to add some fields from an object and the object happened to be opportunity. You can do this. You can do opportunity name. You can also do opportunity stage. You can also do opportunity amount, but we will edit this out. What you can do is literally insert, you've got something called insert field. So let's pretend these are your labels and this is where you want the fields to be. What you want to do is click your cursor here, click insert field. Now you can insert all three of them in a row or you can insert them individually. The way you do it, it's like this: opportunity, and then you select your fields one by one. So the name is going to be first, stage is going to be second, and then amount is going to be third. And then as you've got them, you can just click insert field and we'll insert them one by one next to each of the one. Alright? And then what you'll find on the right hand side here, these fields will render, so you can even modify them. So let's say you wanted to modify this field and select something else, by all means do so. If you wanted to, let's say, so this is an amount field here, by the way, and you may want to format it. Format options are also available here. And then once you've got your fields, you can simply go to preview and just view it. So you can say opportunity name contains Titan. Let's save, and then let's preview. And nothing came up because chances are the opportunity doesn't exist. So we have to find, yes, that's the problem. I chose ID, not name. So once I choose name, preview now. There you go. Alright, so that's just come in now. The Titan name, the Titan amount. Super simple. So just like that, you can insert fields, and then if you want to edit those fields, the fields will start to appear in the builder, and then you can modify them as well. If you want to delete them, you can do that too. So by clicking on the delete option here, and it's gone, just like that. And yeah, this is how it's done.